Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're new here, my name's Tobias. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I have a comparison video for you guys. I'm going to be comparing a microphone that's kind of become one of my favorites on the channel. It's called the MAONO AU-PM461TR, and I'm going to be comparing that microphone to the all-famous Blue Yeti, which I have right over here. The microphone that you are hearing right now is the MAONO PM461TR. I have it right here in front of me on my desk. And throughout this video, I'm going to be switching between the MAONO microphone and the Blue Yeti. It'll be pretty easy for you guys to tell which is which because the Blue Yeti, of course, has this huge silver dome. You'll see it right here in the shot. However, the MAONO microphone just seems to be a little too short to get into the frame of the camera. I will also be monitoring the audio the entire time through my headphones. And like I always do, I'm going to be talking about the similarities and differences between the two microphones. Then I'll do a side-by-side audio test where I'll switch between the microphones pretty quickly. And then finally, I'll let you guys know which microphone I think you should get. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and take a look at the Amazon pages for these two mics. As you see here, the MAONO PM461TR goes for $24.90. And right now, the Blue Yeti is going for $109.99. Usually the Blue Yeti costs around $130, but it looks like it must be on sale right now. So I mean, we have a pretty big price difference between these two microphones. And the thing about this comparison is that, you know, it's probably going to be pretty obvious that the Blue Yeti is the better microphone. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that's just kind of what I'm expecting. But I think the real question is whether it's worth spending over $100 on the Blue Yeti when you can get this microphone, the MAONO microphone, for only $25. So will it actually be worth to spend a lot more for the Blue Yeti? I guess we'll have to find out. So now the audio you're hearing is coming from the Blue Yeti, and as you can see, it's quite a bit closer to my mouth. I'm much closer to the microphone just because of the height. So that's one difference between the two microphones right there. Aside from that, the Blue Yeti is able to record in 4 different recording patterns, while the MAONO microphone can only record in one recording pattern, which is the cardioid recording pattern. So for the purposes of this video, we're only going to be comparing the cardioid recording patterns. Also, the outside of the Blue Yeti is completely made of metal, while the MAONO AU-PM461TR is made out of plastic. The Blue Yeti also comes with a much longer USB cable, and besides the fact that they're both USB condenser microphones, the only similarity I really see between these two microphones is that they both have a gain knob to control your input volume, which is actually a pretty cool thing, especially on an inexpensive microphone like the MAONO PM461TR. So I think I covered all of the similarities and differences. Let's go ahead and jump right into our side-by-side audio test. Alright guys, so the audio that you're hearing right now is coming from the PM461TR. Let's go ahead and take a listen to the noise floor. Okay, now let's go ahead and switch over to the Blue Yeti. Alright guys, now we're on the Blue Yeti. Let's go ahead and take a listen to that noise floor. Okay, let's go ahead and switch back over to the MAONO microphone. This is what the PM461TR sounds like when I'm tapping on the keyboard right behind my microphone. And this is what it sounds like when I'm tapping on the keyboard right behind the Blue Yeti. This is what the PM461TR sounds like from roughly 5 feet away. This is what it sounds like when I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the Blue Yeti. And let's go ahead and get our last listen into the PM461TR. And let's go ahead and get our final listen in with the Blue Yeti. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back and listen to these recordings again. And then I'll come back and I'll let you guys know what I think. Alright guys, so the audio that you're now hearing is coming from the MAONO AU-PM461TR. This microphone has such a long name, doesn't it? But there were definitely some pretty obvious differences between the sounds of the microphones. The first thing I want to say is that, like I said earlier, obviously the Blue Yeti, in my opinion, actually, let me know if you guys think differently, but I think the Blue Yeti was definitely the better sounding microphone. The MAONO PM461TR did seem to be a little more sensitive to other noises in the room. The MAONO microphone also seems to be a bit more bass heavy than the Blue Yeti, and actually the MAONO microphone was actually picking up this noise that the Blue Yeti was not picking up, and it was kind of this like low kind of thumping noise, which I think was coming from my air conditioner. Right now my air conditioner turned off, so we're not getting that noise right now, but it was just really interesting that this microphone was picking that up. Aside from that, the MAONO microphone does pick up quite a bit of noise from the desk if you're to tap on the desk like I'm doing right now, or even if the armrest of my chair is touching my desk and I tap on my armrest, it kind of makes some noise. So you do kind of pick up some unwanted noise here and there. But having said that, the PM461TR is a microphone that I really love because of its affordability, and you do get the imperfections here and there, but that's why this microphone's only $25. It's a great microphone for $25, and in my opinion, it competes with a lot of microphones in the like $60 to $80 range. So yeah, the Blue Yeti does sound a bit better than the PM461TR, but I think if you provide the right environment for this microphone, maybe, put it on a boom arm stand like this one right here, which you could buy for around $30. You can get that thing up and closer to your mouth, turn down the mic sensitivity, and you could get this mic sounding pretty good in my opinion. My air conditioner just turned back on and it's picking up that noise again. Let me know if you could hear it down in the comments below. So yeah guys, I would say if you don't quite have the budget for the Blue Yeti, I would say the MAONO AU-PM461TR is a great option. And of course, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Would you go with the MAONO microphone or would you go with the Blue Yeti? I would love to hear what you guys think. And if this video did help you out, or if you liked this video, I'd really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notifications button. I upload new microphone videos every Monday. I call it Microphone Mondays. It's an easy way to remember that. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.